consider a functionality called metrics that is present both in Weibull++, in XFME and RCM, as well as in BlockSim. And what is these metrics? A metrics is a way of monitoring how a specific reliability results changes as new data is available. So in this case, for example, what we want to do, we want to analyze these data points, derive a failure distribution, and we want to monitor how the reliability at 1,000 hours changes as more data points or more failures are added onto our analysis. So first thing we do is to analyze our data, and then we have to derive a model that represents our data, which is this one. But we want to make sure that that model will get each time updated every time a new data point is added. So what we're going to do, we're going to publish this model, and we're going to call it as it is, Weibull folio 1 data 1, that's fine, and we click OK. So we got this model published, and in fact here it tells us it's been published and synchronized. So now we're going to create a metric. So we go into Resource Manager and we select metric and we add a new one. So what type of metric we want to add? So not a constant one, but we want to monitor, for example, how the reliability at a given time changes. And the time that we select, say for example, we say it is 1,000 hours. So it's 1,000 hours, but we've got to select the model. And the model we select is exactly the one we just published. So we go and select an existing model, and that's our model. Okay, so at the moment it tells us that the reliability is 0.73 at 1,000 hours on the basis of those 4 data points. We got a result indicator that tells us that increasing is a positive value because we're aiming at increasing the reliability, and we want to put a target onto it. So our target is to have a reliability that is greater than or equal at least to 0.92. Oops, no, 0.92. So that's our target. Okay, so we got all these pieces of information. At the moment we're quite far away from it because our current reliability is 0.73. We're aiming for this, and in a sense we're hoping to create like a reliability growth curve. Okay, and we click OK. So we saved our metric, and we'll come back to it to monitor how the metric has changed as new failures have been added onto.